But chilly, unbelievable.
Terry walked in tonight after dinner and she said, "I hate the cold weather." That was her. Well, welcome back, Terry.
I don't know what it is. It just feels really cold for November for me.
Yeah, well, you're right. It is really cold for November. We've already had 3 freezes. We'll have another one tonight. But Terry, you're going to love the 7-day forecast because there's some much warmer weather on the way. But tonight will be the 4th freeze of the season for Austin. Many areas already at freezing, and it's only going to get colder. Most of us will be in the 20s tomorrow morning, challenging and in some cases breaking record lows. By about 9 or 10 a.m. we'll be back above freezing, and we're headed back into the 50s for highs tomorrow afternoon. Now, no freeze warning for Austin. How come? Well, that's because most of central Texas has already had our first freeze. And once we've had a freeze, they don't keep reissuing those freeze warnings. But places like Caldwell County and Fayette County, who have not yet had a widespread freeze, are under a freeze warning now through 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Here's a look at our lows tonight. Our forecast low at Camp Mabry, 28. That's the record, by the way, set on this date, or tomorrow's date, back in 1959. ABIA's forecast low of 23 should easily break the record low there. Fredericksburg forecast of 23, close to the record of 22, and even LaGrange could be close to their record low of 31 degrees. So we're kind of in record-breaking territory. At least we're not in any sort of freezing or frozen precipitation category, because nothing like that showing up on Max Storm tonight. Jody Leggett was picking up his daughter from school last week up in Round Rock, and she noticed, wow, what a cool sunset. So they pulled over, took this shot, and sent it in to snapshot at KVUE.com. Jody, thank you so much. Take a look now at our, well, if you're out tonight with the clear skies, you could see something pretty, hopefully spectacular. A meteor shower tonight. The Leonid meteor shower peaks from midnight to dawn. If you want to try and look off into the eastern sky, you'll see the bright planet Jupiter. Just to the left will be the constellation Leo. That's where the meteors will look like they are coming from. Again, peak time, midnight to dawn, maybe about 10 per hour. Not one of the bigger shows of the year, but if you see something flying by in the sky tonight, that could be what it is. 28 overnight. The moon also will help you to see those meteors tonight. Just a thin moon. Tomorrow's high, 54. Sunny skies and a chilly, chilly morning. Here's a look at our allergy forecast. Good news here, only the mold, and it was in the low category. Mold doesn't like those freezing temperatures. It should be in the low count again tomorrow. Allergy forecast from the KVUE Storm Team every morning in the Austin American-Statesman. One of the reasons we're seeing this unusually cold November is that about 50% of the country is covered by snow. Now, these records only go back about 10 years, but that's a record for this particular date in November to have this much of the U.S., at least the lower 48, covered by snow. And something else kind of cool tonight happens occasionally. All 50 states, yes, including Hawaii and Florida, some parts of those states will see a freeze tonight. Hour by hour, high pressure tomorrow, sunny skies, but that moves off to our east tomorrow night. And then areas of moisture moving in from the Gulf of Mexico, setting the stage for rain later this week. Just kind of a light overrunning rain. Here's our 7-day forecast. A freeze tonight near the record of 28, high of 54 degrees Tuesday, 64 degrees. No freezing weather then for the rest of the week. Here's what Terry's waiting for. 70s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We are going to see some rain on Saturday. This cold weather is a good reminder about why we need to raise coats for kids. It's something we've been doing now for the last 28 years. I've been personally involved with this for 25 years now. It's such an important project. It's such an important piece of Austin and who we are and why we like to help others who are less fortunate start filling up those red barrels with new or gently used coats at Jack Brown Cleaners.
A good excuse to clean out your closet, too.
That's right. All right.